Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Update tayo sa Tropical Storm Ulysses. Ulysses intensifies. Signal number 3 may be raised before landfall over Bicol region. Ang Tropical Storm Ulysses further intensified as the State Weather Bureau raised the possibility of a tropical cyclone wind signal number 3 being raised before making landfall in the Bicol region on Wednesday. Base po sa report ng Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA, Ulysses is expected to intensify into a severe tropical storm category by Tuesday night. And if conditions are favorable to the cyclone, it may rapidly reach typhoon category. PAGASA predicts that Ulysses may make landfall over Quezon province between Wednesday afternoon and night. However, it acknowledged an increasing likelihood that the storm would make a slight southward nudge and move toward the Bicol region instead. As of now, Ulysses was last seen 375 kilometers east-northeast of Verac, Catanduanes, with maximum sustained winds of 85 kilometers per hour near the center and gustiness up to 105 kilometers per hour. It is moving on a northwestward pattern at a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. By the next 24 hours or Wednesday afternoon, Ulysses is expected to be just 90 kilometers north of Verac, Catanduanes, one of the provinces hard hit by Super Typhoon Rolly when it barreled into the Bicol region last November 1. Before it makes landfall, it may already be a typhoon category storm. It would then cross southern Luzon all the way to the southern portion of Metro Manila before exiting to the West Philippine Sea. Due to Ulysses' threat, tropical cyclone wind signal number 2 has been raised in several areas, as these may experience wind speeds of 61 kilometers per hour to 120 kilometers per hour. And the places are Catanduanes, Sorsogon, Albay, Camarines Sur, eastern portion of Camarines Norte, San Vicente, Talisay, Daet, San Lorenzo Ruiz, Basud, and Mercedes. Signal number 1, meanwhile, is hoisted on the following areas: Calabarzon, including Pulilo Islands, Metro Manila, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, eastern portion of Pangasinan, San Nicolas, Natividad, San Quintin, Umingan, Bulangao, Rosales, Santa Maria, Tayog, Asingan, San Manuel, Aurora, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Pampanga, Bulacan, central and southern portions of Zambales, Masinloc, Palawig, Iba, Batolan, Tabangan, San Felipe, San Narciso, San Marcelino, Castillejos, Subic, Olongapo City, San Antonio, Bataan, the rest of Camarines Norte, Masbate, including Ticao and Burias Islands, Marinduque, Romblon, Oriental Mindoro, Occidental Mindoro, including Lubang Island, Northern Samar, northern portion of Samar, Santo Niño, Almagro, Tagapulan, Tarangnan, and Calbayog City. By Thursday afternoon, it would be 110 kilometers west of Subic, Zambales, before exiting the Philippine area of responsibility. However, PAGASA clarified that Ulysses still has a wide cone of probability, which means that it can either stray north toward Quezon province or central Luzon and further south toward eastern Samar. PAGASA also advised seafarers against traveling in areas where wind signals are raised, as sea conditions may be rough to very rough. Yan po ang pinaka-latest. Signal number 2 and signal number 1. Alalahanin nyo, kailangan alam nyo kung saan ang signal number 2 at signal number 1 ng tropical storm na ito. Yan po ang pinaka-latest. Ingat-ingat po tayo. Inform your family, stay at home, huwag maglayag, at dobling ingat. Keep updated kung ano ang updates ng Pag-asa, and keep your family members together as much as possible. Alexander Lexuju saying, God bless Philippines.